Your love for plants could be putting them at serious risk. Overwatering in xeriscaping is a hidden threat that many gardeners overlook, and the consequences can be dire. You might think you are nurturing your xeriscape, but that very care could undermine your sustainable landscaping efforts. Beneath the vibrant colors and healthy leaves, problems may be brewing. Those drought-tolerant plants you cherish can actually suffer from too much affection. While you believe you are being a responsible gardener by watering daily, you could be setting the stage for disaster. Imagine waking up to wilting leaves or, even worse, root rot. It's a painful realization that your good intentions are backfiring. The hidden culprit isn't just the amount of water, it's also the frequency of watering. Your plants, designed for dry conditions, may struggle in a soggy environment. Those beautiful succulents and native grasses can only handle so much moisture before they begin to decline. Excessive care can lead to serious issues like fungal diseases, pest infestations, and declining soil health. The very ecosystem you aimed to create is at risk. So, how do you spot these xeriscaping warning signs? Look for yellowing leaves, stunted growth, and a lack of blooms. These aren't just signs of thirst, they may indicate that your plants are drowning. Take a moment to reflect on your gardening habits. Are you truly listening to your plants? The hidden dangers of overwatering could change everything in your xeriscape journey. Next time you step into your garden, remember less might actually mean more. Embrace the art of observation and adjust your watering practices to ensure your plants thrive. Did you know that overcaring for your xeriscape can actually harm it? Many people believe you can't overdo watering, but too much attention can be just as damaging as neglect. Picture this: you stroll through your beautifully designed garden, proud of your sustainable landscaping. The vibrant colors and thriving plants make you feel xeriscaping pro. But beneath that lush exterior, a hidden danger lurks. Overwatering is a silent killer. It's easy to think, "I'm just giving me garden a little extra love." However, those extra splashes might suffocate the roots and foster diseases, all while you're trying to save water. Those brown patches you've noticed, they might not mean your plants are thirsty, they could signal the opposite. Imagine your neighbor's garden thriving while yours fades into a patchy mess. Why is that? Because you were caring too much, while they found the perfect balance. It's not just about how much water you give, timing, soil type, and the plants you've chosen matter too. Did you know some plants actually need less water in the morning than in the evening? You might be wasting precious resources while your garden is resting. Many homeowners fall into the same trap, driven by the desire for a picture-perfect environment. But in your quest for perfection, you might be teetering on the edge of disaster. So, what's the solution? What's the solution? It starts with observation. Get to know your landscape and how it reacts to different weather conditions, adjusting your watering habits accordingly. It's a delicate dance. Too much love can lead to heartbreak. The key takeaway: sustainable landscaping is just about doing the right thing, it's about understanding your garden's unique needs. Remember, sometimes less really is more. If this resonates with you, consider subscribing for more insights. Your garden deserves the best, and together we can ensure it thrives. What if I told you that your passion for landscaping might be doing more harm than good? It sounds surprising, but in the world of xeriscaping, there's a hidden danger that many overlook. You might believe that giving your plants extra water keeps them healthy, but that's a risky misconception. Many gardeners unknowingly drown their plants while trying to care for them, leading to serious problems. Imagine walking into your garden, proud of the lush greenery around you. Everything looks vibrant and alive, but beneath that beautiful surface lies a troubling reality. Overwatering can cause root rot and other issues that could turn your paradise into a disaster. This is happening to people all around you, yet few realize the consequences. They think they are doing everything right, but their excessive care is backfiring. It's an easy trap to fall into, and you might be teetering on the edge without even knowing it. Consider a neighbor who can't resist watering their plants every day. At first, their garden seems full of life, but over time, those stunning blooms start to wilt and the leaves turn yellow. It's a heartbreaking change that could have been avoided. Overwatering creates a perfect environment for pests and diseases, turning your once a thriving garden into a battleground. The irony: all that care is what led them to this point. What if I told you that simply adjusting your watering routine could save your plants and transform your entire gardening approach? Imagining a landscape that thrives on minimal water, where less truly becomes more. It's all about finding that balanced, harmonious blend of care and restraint. Think about the environmental impact. 2. Overwatering harms your plants and wastes valuable resources. In a time when sustainability is crucial, every drop matters. Your garden should reflect responsible living, not contribute to environmental harm. So, how can you break free